Hello friend, last video I gonna tell you about all about orifice meter और जहाँ पे हम लोग देखा गया था व्हाट इज सीसी कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कंट्रैक्शन. So in this video I'm gonna tell you in math if there is CC is not given, so what should I do? So basically this video is all about tricks of orifice meter. So watch this video till the end and you will find your answer. So मान लो Q actual in orifice. If I provide you CD, so you can write CD into A1 A0 by A1 by minus A0 square into 2GH. और वही Q actual if you want to write in term of CC, so CC into A0 2GH A1 1 minus A0 by A1 into CC square. So what should we do right now? We compare these two equations. So if we compare these two equations, so we can write CD A1 A0 2GH A1 square minus A0 square equal to CC A0 2GH whole under root 1 minus A0 by A1 whole square into CC. So from this we can write CD by A1 square minus A0 square equal to CC by A1 square minus A0 CC square. So what's the value of CC? CC equal to A1 square minus A0 squared CC square into CD by A1 square minus A0 square. Simple calculation, just you have to compare first two equation and then. So हम लोगों को CC का वैल्यू मिल गया. So now we know Q actual equal to velocity at contracted area in area of contracted area. So A2 को हम लिख सकते हैं CC into A0 और V2 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं फ्रॉम प्रीवियसली. क्या लिखूँगा? V2 इक्वल टू 2GH 1 माइनस A0 बाई A1 होल स्क्वायर CC स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? CC इंटू A1 A0 2GH A1 square minus A0 square into CC square. So what is the value of CC? This. So CC का वैल्यू होगा CD into A1 square minus A0 square into CC square by A1 square minus A0 square into whole under root 2GH into A1 into A0. So this is cancel out. CD A1 square minus A0 square. A1 A2 A1 square minus A0 square into 2GH is the Q actual. Okay, where CD is the coefficient of discharge of orifice meter. So friends, if CC is not given, so you have to convert the CC in via CD, and now you have to replace the value of CC, and this is equal to Q actual CD A1 A0 to A1 minus A0 square into 2GH. So this is the tricks. If examination there is CC is not given, there must be CD is given. Well, so if there is any kind of doubt, so ask me in comment section. If it is helpful to you, so like this video and share this video with your circle or friends. Thank you for watching this video, and next video will definitely show you a new chapter that is all about pitot tube.